Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set your loadout automatically. So this video especially made for beginner or noob only. So without further ado, click your loadout. So this is my character loadout. This is my tailor-made loadout. So I using rifle, but especially for you the beginner that just started this game, you can set uh, all of this automatically. So what you need to do is click at the bottom of your screen. There is a lamp icon. Click. See, there is a weapon set recommendation here. So this game give you a set of loadout recommendation that fit on your play style. So if you want CQC combat or close quarter combat, you can choose number 2, or if you passive player, you can choose number 1, mid to long assault, or you are your favorite is a sniping, you can choose number 5, instant skill sniper. And also you can read the instruction or the description what the instant skill sniper it is. Sniper rifle is suitable for long range assassination, and also is already set the perk, and also the score streaks is already set. So what you need to do is click equip, just simple as that. So thank you for today. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Bye.